Hey, what's up everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Oregon, and it's the day we've all been waiting for. The Vanagon bodies have arrived from California. I got them here towed behind my FJ Cruiser. I thought I was going to be able to get both of them back in one day, but unfortunately some technical difficulties landed me 2 trips to California, and that wound up being 50 hours of driving between a little over 2 days and about 2,000 miles. In the end, it was worth it. It was a long week. It was rough, but we have the base to our build now. Again, a big thanks to our donor, Nick from California. Thank you so much. We're gonna kind of go over and analyze the bodies of the donors and see which one's going to be in the best shape. Obviously, we're going to be using the majority of the body of one, and then the other one as kind of a filler to add the width. So I guess we're going to go through here, kind of look at things, pick at Bondo, and yeah, enjoy. So the white van, when we picked up, we initially thought was a 1984. It's actually a 1985, which is nice. It gives us some upgrade parts for our 1980 that I've really been wanting. This van had a lot of red primer all over it. I've scrubbed most of it off of this side. I'm going to continue scrubbing it off. You'll see how much it's got here in just a second. And just like that. Kind of the uglier of the two. Now this one wound up being my problem child. I couldn't tow it back the first day due to some missing axle nuts and a missing wheel bearing. The van does look like it's had a little bit of rust repair prior in this corner. Let's see if we can focus. There we go. I hit metal right about there. The rest of this is all body filler. Yeah, it'd definitely be interesting to see what it looks like when we dive further in. This van's kind of, I think, been used more for parts than a restoration project. Pretty empty inside, aside from some garbage. Has a factory air conditioner in really good shape. If people are looking for parts, that would be a good one. Alright, and then there's the brown one, which is a 1984. This used to be driven by the donator. Needed some body work, which he was starting to perform. I think there was a little bit more to the body damage after looking at it a little bit here than maybe he even realized. Definitely right here. I haven't even picked at this, so this is you guys are getting to see it as I see it. I'm kind of scared. Keep your fingers crossed. Oh. Yeah, the damage in this is extensive. That's all Bondo right there. I don't know how well it's focused. Let me focus here. This is something that's all fiberglass actually. The damage is going to be far worse as we continue back. That's just one glob of fiberglass. That's bad. We may end up using one half of one van and one half of another, or I may end up using the white van as the majority of the donor. Wow. Gotta cover that back up. Woo. All right, back up here. Okay, let's see. Where the antenna was there. Now, since the brown van is an 84, it has a lot of parts that are good for our van too. The slider door mechanisms are all really nice on this, which I'm excited to have. And it really seems like he liked this van a lot. Get some shots of the inside here. It's a little windy, so sorry for the noise. It just opens so nicely. There's a lot of cleanup work to do. Over the next week, I'm going to be stripping both of the vans out completely, getting them ready to cut. I'm excited. I'm excited for you to be here to follow along. Alright guys, well that's it. That's the two donor bodies. Kind of dug in a little bit and saw some carnage already. I'm excited to get started. I'm excited for you to be here to watch everything. This past week we got over 100 subscribers, so thank you all very much. I'm super excited for you to be here. If you like the content, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.